Lord, I'm nothing before you. Island worship. Jeremy and Edwards and Sean Lifer come to sing this song to you. Yeah.
Alright guys, so I'm going to start out by doing my brows. How I would typically do my brows. This is going to be a voiceover. I'll be talking for 21 minutes. Now today is the 22nd of November. This video is going up on the 22nd of November. You guys, I'm so behind because of the renovations that were going on in my house. I couldn't invite nobody to the makeup, and I have, as I told you guys in the last voiceover, I have 3 makeup artists who I've invited to do my makeup. I can't even do that. So if I had done that, I would have had content, but this is really like hitting me upside the head. Plus, oh Lord Jesus, I'm sure it's a breath. Me tired. Is that just caring about it? But hey, welcome to my channel. My name is LyricRochester. This pencil I'm using is an Air Main pencil, and as you can see, it's my skin is breaking out again. Are you guys seeing this? Oh, boy. This hair I'm wearing is from Julia Hair. I remember in the last video I did with them, I did 2 videos with Julia Hair, and the last video I did, I told you guys that I'm actually going to be coloring it, and then I'm going to show what it looks like colored. It looks really nice colored, really nice colored. So yeah, for my brows, I'm actually using my Color Pop, I think it's dark 178 to do my brows. I like it for my brows. It's just right there, but to be honest, I really prefer the Sasha Cosmetics one concealer over this one, because this is like thin. It's medium coverage, but the Sasha Cosmetics one is full coverage, and this one is a little bit thinner, and the other one, the Sasha Cosmetics one, is creamier. This is more of a liquid. The Sasha Cosmetics one is more of a cream. So I'm just using this to define my brows a little bit better. I feel like I'm out of breath. I come did up on the road now. I rode up on the road and I come home and like everything needs to go up today. Lord, guys, I need help. I have what, 9-10 days left? 10? Oh gosh, I have less than 10 days left for this, and it's just last minute. I've invited people to do the makeup, but I think that's going to overflow to December, because I'm not sure if they can make it here in time. And next week is a very busy week for me. I have a wedding to go to, a birthday party to go to, a leading worship, and then the Monday is my birthday. My birthday is the 3rd of December, and I'm gonna be 33 years of old. Quite exciting. I don't know why women don't like telling their age. I don't mind telling my age. Do you guys mind me playing music at this point? No? You want to hear me talk? Alright, what I can tell you now. It's the blood cleanse. So I worked with a company, right? I don't think they're an AliExpress company, but one of them China company. Guys, I've never experienced such unprofessionalism in my life. And what sucks, excuse me, my yawn. What sucks is that they actually have good hair, but their customer service is actually crap. And I did not know their customer service was so crappy until I was done with the video. Until I was done with the video from Friday, and I sent them the unlisted link and everything, and me telling them, boy, it take yesterday, up to the day before yesterday, I was still making like silly little changes for them. I was very annoyed. I was very frustrated with them, so I'm never working for that company again, ever. And I was like, oh, can you work? I'm like, no, you crazy? I'm not working there again. You're crazy. I mean, your hair is good, but y'all niggas, y'all some new level shit. I can't do that, honey. Looking at this, did I add black? No, should I add one black eyeliner ponytail at the end so that it wouldn't look so bad? Oh, and I said before, my Pome Fitness belts are now available from extra small to extra large. Excuse me, and we're actually having a sale right now on our website, pomebylyric.com, and we're actually having sale out here in Jamaica as well. I'm delivering via Knutsford Express every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And also Draws by Needles on Instagram. I can link them up for belts, and Hair Vibes Salon JA on Instagram. I can hit them up for belts as well. Draws by Needles is in Kingston Clock Tower Plaza, and Hair Vibes is in Portmore Hillside Plaza. So yeah. Ooh, guys, but now I'm doing this voice over and I just want to sleep. Oh, backside, guys, don't forget to tell me, so I'm going to buy a mic. Come on, say yeah, YouTube game on 100 Ray. Blood cleanse. And the worst my this something just not okay, somebody had commented about it. This is my Sacha Cosmetics matte primer. Somebody had commented about, yo, the eyeliner look like my skin. Are you guys seeing how close it is to my skin color? Anyway, so somebody had said with the alien video that the audio looks crappy. I mean, sounds crappy. And I was like, you are right. I think that's the only comment that came through on my phone that said that the audio sounds crappy. And I'm like, you are so right. You know, it's a new microphone. I'm not versed in microphoneage at all, but I just want it to plug in and work. I don't want to be doing all this extra stuff just to get something to work. I don't think I should have to do that. Is it me? I bought it on eBay. It was hella cheap, like $30 or something like that. It was hella cheap, and it was too. So maybe that was my bad. I don't know. My Sacha Cosmetics foundation in perfect bronze, full coverage subtle. I think this is the second skin. Full coverage. I used to be perfect spice, you know, and I got darker to perfect bronze. Can you imagine? Perfect spice used to fit me so well. No, I'm perfect bronze. Excuse me. Oh, my lashes, you guys are the first to know. My lashes should be on their way. We should have some lashes for you guys. I don't want to have them for a sale. I'm gonna have them heavily discounted, and I'm going to have it website only. Yeah, website only, and maybe in a few stores, maybe at Draws, and you know, Vivian's Beauty Supply. If you know Vivian's Beauty Supply in Portmore, I may carry take them there as well, so you can get your Portmore lashes at Vivian's Beauty Supply. They're not going to be like a lot in stock. They're going to be limited stock. So yeah, you guys, this look took me less than 20 minutes to do. You see, if whenever they are stop every minute, I don't know, something that this is less than 20 minutes with me just focusing. But I was actually watching something. I don't like to get ready and not watch something. I don't know what it is. Like whenever I'm doing my makeup, it's so relaxing for me. I'm either talking to you guys or I'm watching something. So this here, I was actually watching something. I can't remember what I was watching. So it's 7 minutes, guys. I have no idea what to talk about. It's 7 minutes. I hear somebody in my head saying, "Talk about what you're doing. Do you know so do you blind? It can't represent as a matter." I'm clearly applying the foundation into my skin. What I got me that nice like a sexy mirror. You know that in the mirror the way we can rest down by vanity. I like, you know, you can, you know, the mirror they will have the both sides on it. Yeah, you know the mirror there. So I can be one real YouTuber. Right now look up as a catch. Guys, I don't know what else to say. I'm going to play some music. I'm at the 8-minute mark. 21. I'm having brain fart right now. Oh, this is NW35 from MAC. Now, I'm going to be honest. When I applied this, it looked okay when everything was done. But on camera, it looked so ashy. And because it's in MAC, I'm cool. I'm not warm at all, which is so weird. I'm cool. Cool colors work for me with MAC. Warm colors, not so much. So this was NW35. Oh my gosh. It just made me look ashy. I'm going to open it so I talk about. It made me look ashy. Anyway, yes, I'm using this to do my highlight. And for this day, I want to do something unedited. Like just to show you guys how to do my makeup. Also, I wanted it to be a little bit more natural. And that's why this look took me less than 20 minutes to accomplish. Because it's natural. If I'd only applied just lashes, it would have taken me even less than 20 minutes. Probably 17, 18 minutes or so. Alright, I can't even push for 15, you know. If I'm not doing all of this. You know what I'm going to do one day? One day I'm going to do a 10-minute face. Just foundation and powder. Don't do that anymore. You know what I want to do? I want to develop a tag, an OG YouTuber tag. And I'm going to tag all the OG YouTubers like Cash My Dope. She used to go by Whole Meek. Like her, like Wilder JMC. You guys have no idea who I'm talking about, but that girl can, hey, Oh my gosh. What is her name? Oh, Jesus God, I'm having a brain fart. There's so many. Even Jackie Aina. Like, don't be fooled. Like, Jackie Aina is an OG YouTuber. You understand? Of course, Savannah Silva, who her name used to be the Island Beauty, and then she went by Sumi at one point. She's now called Savannah Silva, which please follow her on her new Instagram page, you guys. Savannah Silva. I don't know what she made a video on it, but apparently her Instagram got taken down by Instagram, and when she got it back, it was empty. No images, no followers, no nothing. So it is Savannah Silva. Follow her on Instagram. That's a new Instagram account, and you will not be disappointed. You after this voiceover, I'm going to sleep. I lie down, gonna talk to you right now. Lie down. But set to blood cleanse. I'm gonna go up on the road today. Like, cause I'm gonna go up on the boulevard and some. I'm gonna go up on the road. I told me turn back, you know. I said this naga work for God. Not in your island. Guys, this the amount of traffic, and I don't know if it was an accident. But the amount of traffic come and say, no man, God mother Paula, turn back. He's like, you sure? I'm like, no, auntie, turn back. I'm not gonna ever to turn in this traffic. Are you nuts? Guys, and then if we go back in a Portmore, then there was traffic, but the Portmore traffic was caused by the stoplight, right? It's like the West Cinco turn off. Before we got under the bridge for past Aki Village by right at left hand side. Hear me talk. Like everybody's just in the matter. Oh Lord God. The powder I used before was Sasha Cosmetics Buttercup. No, I'm using Sasha Cosmetics Perfect Spice to set everything. Yeah, that was way too much traffic. You know, I was thinking about you guys, and I made mention of this earlier on. Just how, and I'm not longing for the olden days because obviously, you know, time has passed, and you know, you move on or you get shipped out or whatever the term is. But back then, when I used to do YouTube, like we as viewers, we didn't have much options. The it was way more personal as well. Remember when you guys used to can send us messages? That's how I met one of my closest friends. Her name is Chantel, and I met her on YouTube. She lives in Canada, and she wrote me and I wrote her back. I would just talk, and we became really good friends to the point where she was even my bridal party. That's how good of a friend that we became just by YouTube, by doing YouTube. And I've met a lot of you even outside YouTube. I'm using Perfect Brands. This is Perfect Brands to do my eyes. I've met a lot of you outside of YouTube, and a lot of you we've even grown really strong, even with me and Classic Couture MUA. She now has a page called, I think, Women Who Brunch. It's called. And even me and her, I met her at a meet and greet for that Fountain I had in Montego Bay. This is my crayon case palette at Montego Bay, and we've gotten so close to the point where she'll sleep over. May I wear to her clothes and look at something like I'm a gal. You understand? I mean, I don't know. Just YouTube back in the day, bro. It was just different. It was more of a family. Of course, we had haters back then, but no, it's just different. To know that we're actually giving guys options like, what do you want to see and stuff. I just feel like it has gotten so aggressive. Whenever one of my favorite YouTubers put up something, I don't care what they put up as long as something is put up and I can watch them. I can either hear their voice or get to see their work, or as long as they're involved, like I'm going to watch it. You see me? And whenever I watch YouTube, I watch it with a very open mind because I know how difficult it is as a content creator. People are extremely hard to please. That this one girl commented on my video saying that she don't like when I reprimand Jonathan on camera. And then somebody commented and said, they know, so she did not say anything to him. You'd hear how she's spoiling her son, and that's so true. You that hear say, oh, I spoil if I never say nothing. Then my do go say something, them like, I say nothing. And then it's just people, I think people think that their opinions, it means something, and it doesn't. Your opinions are just that, your opinions. They're not shared views. They're not going to change anybody's mind. They are your opinions. You see me? Of course, your opinions can be voiced. Excuse me, but you have to understand that to most people, your opinions aren't important. They're only important to you and nobody else. And people don't like to hear that. They don't like to hear that. Well, what you're saying is unimportant, or you're not important at this point in time. We want to constantly tell people lies, and that's just not the truth. That's just not the truth. That's why I read Jesus, and Jesus just talking. He spoke his truth every single time. He spoke his truth every single time. You see me? And that's just my goal, bruh. Like, to be honest, to be God fearing, and to raise Jonathan in the way that he should go. And then the Bible says he will not depart from it. You know what I mean? That's my aim. So I don't think I'm ever going to stop doing YouTube, but I did this month of November with the doing a video every day as a challenge to myself, a personal challenge to myself, nothing else. You see me? But I don't need to do this every single time. I don't. And somebody, one of my friends, them said to me, say, who I met by delivering bell, her name is Tricia. You don't know her anyway. So she said, boy, I'm not how you do it, like just know you about broad. I say, my girl, sometimes when I put videos up and I can sense what I'm going to get, I don't even read the comments. Can you imagine? I created a video, I'm knocking my laptop. Me create my video. Me. With my camera, my baby father, with my camera, my husband bag me. You see me? Make my, with my lighting up, make my video with my nice clean room, make my video. Edit my video for how much hours. Compress my video for how much hours. Upload my video. And then can't look upon my comments upon my video. What is going on? I don't understand why don't I feel free to look at the comments? Because the truth is, even though the good always outweighs the bad, I'm going to be think about it right now. Excuse me. When, for everybody, if you hear 10 good things about you and one person said, Jano, sorry, your hair don't look good, I'm telling you, you're going to feed on that. You're going to remember that. Why? Because most times when people speak negatively about us, it's our own personal insecurities. Oh, these lashes are from Vivian's Beauty Supply. But that they are Portmore Pines, man, right beside Singer. Why am I talking like the world knows where Portmore Pines is? Anyway, they are Portmore Pines beside Singer. Not cherries, you know, are the next one. I'll talk Vivian's Beauty Supply. The only thing I don't like with these lashes is because is that they're plastic. Them just hard for being on your eye. A lot of God, and then the glue not dry fast enough. Come on, I use my ear glue. I use like real lash glue. If I use my ear glue, they said I go on a long time. But a lot of God, I come use lash glue to chew my off. It's just way too thick. It's plastic. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to get my lashes. I'm so excited. Anyway, yeah, it's just sad. Your opinions is not always like, honestly, the truth is nobody cares. Nobody cares. The only person that cares is you and probably your family or your mommy. Nobody cares. Nobody. Guys, I'm literally falling asleep talking to you. My skin look good though with the makeup on it, don't you see that? Yeah, it look nice and highlighted, but I still, it doesn't look as warm. That's why I'm going over my highlighted areas. You see that with the brush that I'm using to blend out the darker color, my all over powder. See me going over the white area, the highlighted areas, because it just looks too cool. It don't look bad. I mean, it's okay, you know, it's a very good quick eye. But I'm telling you, if I was just doing lashes only, this would have taken me probably 15-16 minutes. And I think I can do a video like that. Like 10 minutes and out the door. But it's not going to be glamorous or nothing. Oh my god, my teeth hurting me so badly. I think I have a filling or something, or my teeth want to feel or something like that. But every time I talk and air gets in there, it cramps my teeth. Whatever, even when I brush my teeth, it hurt my teeth. To brush my teeth because it cramping me. What am I lining my eyes with? My black eyeliner pencil? No. I'm going in with my mascara. Not bad. I don't really have much bottom lashes. But I guess I can start putting mascara on them. I mean, I don't see a difference. Yeah, I'm almost finished. Oh, this is my lipstick, 650 Nude from Maybelline. And I'm going to be lining my lips with Espresso from LA Girl. And I can finally say this is the end of the video. I hope y'all like it, my little rant and everything. I think my videos are completely straightforward. I don't think I need to be explaining everything I'm doing. It's just straightforward. See that line that my brow bone is creating? I don't know if you guys are seeing it. My line on my left eye. I don't like it. And every time I blend it out, it's just not going on. I don't like it. Anyway, it has a lot to do with how I shaved too, because I shaved before this, so I guess my skin underneath. Oh, I'm low lighting with Perfect Bronze now So this is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, the hair is by Julia Hair. Thank you so much, Julia Hair, for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, you guys. LyricRochester, Snapchat, LyricRochester, my website. Pour me by Lyric for my products, for my lashes as well as my lashes as well as my what that name again? Fitness belts, you guys. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Thank you for your support and your love. Mwah. Talk to you guys later. Later.
God bless. I'm your boy DJ. I'm gonna say that one now straight out of street out of studio. Don't know the thing though. I'm gonna say slowly but surely. Lord will come through it. You don't know the thing though. I can't tell them something in them. Slowly but surely. Right, I know what me feel for, I no reefer. Scripture what they on the leaf, ya make devil leave ya. God a block a shot a keeper, in a FIFA, and deliver me like a pizza off of the streeter. Now I'm the knife in me Jesus, cause me no Peter. Holy Spirit and me teacher, cause me no preacher. Me no follow back a neither, cause me a leader. You know enough for me can Libra. You a Libra, surely, I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy. And him be able to go action can holy. Anything me don't know, the Lord him a show me slowly but surely. I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy.